All right, all right, all right. So here we are. This is Behind the Sounds Monday. This is when I tell you what I'm going to do for the next week. Basically, what's going on. This is Behind the Sounds Monday. And if this is your first time here, I'm Big Bobby. But you, my friend, can call me the Tinkle Junkie. So next week, I'm going to do some coffee shop ambient sounds. Now hang on. A lot of my listeners use my video for background noise for studying, work, or just relaxing. So I know a quiet, quaint little coffee shop, not really overbearing or really loud, is a good thing. It's nice. Now, on my way there, I'm going to do a cool ride video. Now, a cool ride video, you guys know, through my last couple of videos, I am always trying to get rid of those micro jitters. So I purchased equipment to try to get rid of the micro jitters. Now, I have a big rig. It takes a couple hours to put on the truck for filming commercials and stuff, but that's a lot. I don't want it that way. I want you to be sitting in the seat with me. Now, so I attempted to do things like this. Even though it's clamped tight, I still get micro jitters. What I ended up going with is my old 361 RS 1-inch. Now, this has a 1-inch sensor on it. It handles the low light pretty good. Not a problem. This isn't the handle that I use, but I have a Bushman tripod for this. So it's a narrow little stem that goes down to 3 feet. So I put that in the passenger seat. Then I throw my bag on the feet. It stays right there like this. Just like that. Because the stabilization is so good in this camera. It's smooth the whole time, even through low light, because the sensor's so big. So I ran some tests with this, and it worked out pretty well. Enough that I'm going to use it. Now, what this does, I'm going to do a cool ride going out with this. This allows me to grab it and take it with me, and I can keep, so when we do other videos, I can keep it with me and keep the video going when we're scouting or checking out marinas or new areas, whatever I have planned. This is the camera, the 361 RS 1-inch. It's an older camera, so it's not overly priced. You don't need this professional equipment to do this. This works. If you want to do it, you could do it with a camera just like that that's available to you. Now, that being said, when I go to do the coffee shop ambience, I have a coffee shop I go to about, dark 30 in the morning. It's nice and peaceful and quiet. You hear some clinking of glasses, espresso machine, light banner and dog. What I'm going to use when I'm in there is this camera right here. This is the Insta 360 Go S. I'm sorry, 3S. Look at how little that is. Look at how little that is. Now, that's going to allow me to be inconspicuous. I'm going to be stealth. I can put that on something back to me. I can talk to you about something. Or I can just aim it at a coffee cup with keep getting feedback from my headphones. With some steam coming up. But the point is that I don't look like a big camera crew in there. Nobody notices me. We get those quiet sounds. Now, for audio, when we're out there, for audio, I will use this. This is my Zoom H2E. The E stands for essential. This will give me a full 360 audio image of the room. What I do is I put it on this. I put it on this, and I've got some little feet on the bottom. I can set it right in the middle, and I get all the sounds. Almost pretty much binaural, 360 all the way around. This does real well with that. I love using this. I use this recorder so much. Its predecessor, the old one, the H2N, I wore it out. I use this a lot. This is affordable. This isn't super expensive. $159 and does an incredible job. I even got this neat little dead cat, custom dead cat, so it looks like it's wearing a hat. Now, how it will go is I will leave, do the cool ride with the 360 camera. I won't release that right away. That'll be a cool ride video. But see, I'm getting it in the same time. So if I need a filler, if I need to, an extra video for you, or if you like those kind of videos, I got one. Now. So Wednesday, I'll bring, well, not Wednesday, but I'll bring all that footage back to the studio. Once it's back here, I'll piece it together and make a video for the mix on Wednesday. The mix, Trigger Labs. Trigger Labs for Wednesday. And I'll release that video on Wednesday. This is the takeoff. This is, I'm putting KEWL on the map as a radio station, how it's supposed to be. I'll do this every week. So Wednesday there'll be a video, a mix video. There'll be a KEWL ride video because I shot that at the same time. Plus I'll put videos in. Maybe I see something that I think you guys will like, or I'll get an idea. I'll put those in too. Now, Friday, we have KEWL. KEWL is where we listen to all these sounds, not video, sounds. Set up like a radio station where you watch me play these sounds on an extended cut for you to relax and sleep. On Sundays, we have the Hangout. You want to come there, it's simulcasted on the 24-hour stream and its own stream. The 24-hour stream doesn't have chat. You got to go to the stream to get the chat. Then we can have a conversation about stuff you want to hear, what you liked, any questions you have. That's the Hangout on Sundays. Monday, we'll have the next Behind the Sounds, where I'll tell you what I'm doing the next week. Wednesday, we'll have the Trigger Lab. Friday, we'll have the KEWL. In between, we'll get all the KEWL stuff. This is it. This is the programming language. Thank you guys for being here. If you want to buy me a coffee, there's a link below. If you want to help out more, I don't know why I point, but become a member. That's the best ways. If you want to be a part of KEWL, I got a lot going on for the members only. Anyways, I appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for hanging out with me. And till next time, take it easy.